Hey, what's up YouTube, Rahul here back with an interesting video. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S11. Now, just today we got the release date, that is on the February 11th. So I'm super excited for this, and without any further ado, let's begin this video. So this video is all about the Samsung Galaxy S11, everything that we know so far. Now the code name behind this S11 is Picasso. If you are wondering why they have kept this code name, that's because the Galaxy S11 is gonna concentrate more on the computational photography. According to the latest Ice Universe leak, there will be an S11E, the Galaxy S20, the Galaxy S11 and the Galaxy S20 Plus. So there will be four smartphones, and also I think the Galaxy S20 Ultra may come into picture. It's not confirmed yet. We have to wait till the official date given, that is the February 11th. Now talking about the cameras of the S11, they tell that there will be a whopping 48 megapixel telephoto camera, and it will be capable of zooming up to 5 times, and the code name behind this telephoto camera is Hubble telescope. And then there will be a 48 megapixel another wide angle camera. Samsung has one of the best wide angle cameras in the industry right now. They have the maximum coverage of up to 123 degrees of field of view. Now I don't know, with 48 megapixel the picture is going to be crystal clear. And then another one will be time of flight camera. The same thing we discussed on the iPhone 12. Now the main change is in the main camera. It's confirmed that the Samsung S11 will be using an 108 megapixel primary camera, and it will use the pixel bending technology, which bends almost 9 pixels to create one large pixel. Now you might be wondering, is this the same sensor that we saw on the Xiaomi Mi 10 or the CC9 Pro? Then the answer is yes. It is an ISOCELL bright HM1 camera, HM1 sensor. Now talking about the sizes and the display, it is confirmed that the Samsung will be introducing the 120Hz refresh rate screen, and the sizes are like 6.4 inches, the basic one, and the 6.7 inches, that is for the S11 Plus, and the 6.9 inches for the 5G variant. Now the screen to body ratio is gonna be very great because Samsung is gonna shrink the punch hole, and it's gonna be putting in the center of the display, just like we saw on the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Now the Samsung Galaxy S11 will be using the newly unveiled Snapdragon 865, which has 20% higher graphics rate, and then 35% more power efficient, which means the battery life is going to be incredible. Now talking about the memory, Samsung S11 will be using the LPDDR5 memory chipsets, which is 30% more faster and 30% more efficient. Now talking about the security, will Samsung again introduce their iris scanner or the Face ID? Then the answer is no. They're gonna increase their security in the space of their ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. So this time we'll have 2-finger capability, and the fingerprint scanner is gonna be very large. It is almost 17 times larger than the sensor we saw on the S10 Plus. Now talking about the batteries, the S11 will have 4500 mAh battery. That is actually great, because usually Samsung gives very less weightage to the smaller models, like the last year's S10 had just 3400 mAh battery, and many people disagreed and they were annoyed by the battery life of the S10. Now S11 is not going to be like that. It has 4500 mAh battery, and the S10 Plus will have incredible 5000 mAh battery compared to the last year's 4100 mAh. Now charging technology, it's the same. Now we'll have packed in 45 watt super fast charger. And will the battery technology be graphene? That's not confirmed yet. We have to wait till the launch event, and then we have to see if it's lithium ion or graphene. Fingers crossed, let it be graphene. Now that was pretty much everything about the S11 models, the series of the S11 or the S20. I don't know, the name is not still confirmed. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.